You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly.
You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a hair review. The hair is sponsored by Kali. I think it's called Kali's Hair Company. They had sent me a 36-inch lace front braiding wig, and it has double lace, so you will get a real good protection on the lace part. The only thing that I dislike about it is like when you try to do your baby hairs, the double lace somewhat kind of get in the way. But other than that, but the hair by itself is real good quality. I love the length. So if you would like to see how this video turned out, please stay tuned. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And guess what, y'all? So originally I had recorded this video on my camera. I supposed to have uploaded to my MacBook. It's supposed to have been a little longer than this, but somehow my new camera was not properly working. So I had to chop it up, make some shake. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Alright, see you later.
pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds.